Hello, my students. It is time to go over the final story project. So this is the last video I'll make because this is the last assignment you're going to do. So let's take a look. So the first thing you want to do is click on All About My Final Story project. And this has all the information about the project itself, the expectations, the grading rubric, and then there's a number of samples too. So you have a couple of options. You can either do a class presentation or you can do a video. Both of them will include the same information and they'll both be the same length of time. And the same rubric will be used. Now, if you have a 95% or higher, you have another option, which I will talk to you about this week for my A students. So let's take a look at the instructions. So the goal here is you're going to frame the presentation or the video as if you are 8 to 10 years in the future. So you have already graduated from your degree, you are in the career choice, and if you don't know exactly what you want to do, that's okay. Just go with one of the careers that you used in your research and that you also planned your major for. So the due date is December 1st. Whether or not you do a video or a presentation or the alternate assignment, they're all due on the 1st. So you may present the week after the 1st, but your slides are still due. So presentation or a video. We will not show the video in class, so the presentation is the one where you will be doing it in front of us. So it's mandatory. You have to complete this assignment to pass the course. So again, it's 8 to 10 years from now. You've completed your education and you're in your dream career. So creativity and forward thinking. So an example would be, I'm coming back to my high school to talk about all that I've accomplished. I'm on a television show and they're interviewing me about how I got where I am in my career as an anesthesiologist. And we definitely want to be creative. So here are all the expectations. So you're going to talk about your purpose, your academic pathway, and your career pathway. And all of this comes from assignments that we've already done. So you've got the purpose statement, the academic blueprint, and the career guided research are going to be the framework. So what you need to do is bring it all together in a way that makes sense and that is creative and original. And remember, this is 150 points, so it's a good chunk of your grade. So again, here's the grading rubric. This is what I will be using when I sit down and grade your assignment. So you can see everything is listed and then it will be marked whether it's excellent, it's fulfilled, satisfactory, kind of fulfilled, or developing partially or not at all. Now the samples are really, really helpful. There's a couple of videos that students have made. There's also a presentation in class, and then there's slides. So you can kind of see an example of how people set up each of the different things. So that is the final story project itself. What you're going to submit, again, whether it's the video, the alternate assignment, or the slides, is going to be here, final story project. And you're going to, again, look at the overview and instructions, use the planning document, which helps you write it all down. Since you have so much time to do this, you essentially have 3 weeks. So the expectation is that you will put energy and effort into it. It will not be you on a webcam talking about your story. And the way to do really well on this assignment is to follow all the criteria and put energy, effort, and do it in a creative way. So this planning document can also be used as a way for you to think through. So asking you what's the setting, and answer the questions about your purpose statement, etc. And then you can use this planning document to plan your actual presentation. So everything's due on the 1st, and then presentation slots, if you decide to present, will be decided in class. All right, we're almost there. You can do it. We're so close, and it's just going to be the final, and then you will be on your winter break. All right, let's talk soon. Bye.